Good morning, beautiful people. I'm Eli, and welcome back to another fun-filled edition of your Monday Memo. We did it, guys! 500 subscribers. We are extremely grateful for all your love and support. The road to 1,000 subscribers has commenced, so please like, subscribe, and share. Now let's jump right in.
Hey, Ron.
Hey, Billy.
Guess what? The annual installation celebration is just around the corner, and we're opening the award nominations window on July 8th. But you can still visit the link in the description to see the requirements for each award now. In the meantime, start brainstorming about who you'd want to nominate for Affiliate of the Year, Good Neighbor, Up-and-Coming Realtor, and of course, Realtor of the Year. As soon as nominations open, we'll drop the link.
I can't wait.
Now on to some serious stuff. Have you heard about the new and revised real estate commission rules? Or the fresh requirements of the Corporate Transparency Act? If not, don't worry. Mark your calendars for Scott Peterson's 10 Legal Things event on July 24th at the Colorado Springs Shrine Club from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. For just $30, you'll soak up tons of valuable information and earn 2 CE credits. Only 19 seats are left, so don't wait too long.
Wow, already?
Yeah, they fill up fast.
Speaking of must-haves, make sure you've got the MLS Touch app on your phone. Join RSC's very own Angelo Romero on June 26th from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. in the PPAR training room for a deep dive into this top-notch mobile app for agents. It's free for members, and you'll get 1 CE credit. But a word to the wise. If you register and don't show up without canceling beforehand, you'll be hit with a $50 no-show fee. The registration link is below, so sign up today.
I love this app.
You want to know what else is free? Our brand new podcasts. Tune into PPAR's Policy Pulse podcast with Dr. Clarissa Thomas and Weldon Shaver, and YPN's Altitude Agents podcast with Kyle Wong and Nakari Wright. Available on our YouTube channel and wherever your favorite podcasts are. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, and share. It really helps us out.
Why me? I would like your support.
Well, that's a wrap for this week's Monday Memo. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.